How do you feel about Adrian as a father? Is he a responsible father?
I'll say he takes care of them financially. The ones that I know of, I only knew of 5. The other 2 I didn't know about until just recently when it was reported. But to my knowledge, he takes care of all of them financially. He gets my son in the summertime. But I mean, he could do better. He can do better.
You said something there. You said that you knew of 5, but didn't know of the 2 that just came out, because we broke the story about your baby and another baby yesterday, and then we knew about the other 3, obviously. Are there more that we're not counting?
The one that passed, I didn't know about, or the little girl that you guys reported
The
yesterday.
one in
But my
Minnesota.
son
Okay.
knows of 4 other brothers and sisters.
Well, that's 6.
So then there are others.
That's
right.
6. So there's
Okay.
one more that we still don't know about, in other words.
No, that's 7 altogether.
Harvey, she said 4 other besides her son. So
No,
and
she
then-
just said 7. She just said 7.
Yeah, so that's
The
7.
bottom line is Erica, you are claiming that there are others that the public doesn't know about yet.
I mean, my son knows his brothers and sisters.
Right,
He knows
certainly.
of 4 other brothers and sisters. He didn't know of the 2 that you guys reported the
Okay.
other day.